What's up, guys? Welcome to another video of FS Skiing. Today we are at Devil's Head with Dylan, and they got a sick park right now. We haven't really shot a lot of Cascade. Don't fully know what's going on with that, but we're at Devil's Head. We're shooting today. Great park. Lifts super long, but besides that, park is great. So I got nothing else to say, but let's get into today's video.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Fill with devotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Oh, 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 oh. Feel the devotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Hey, yeah. Little sweet spice. Yeah. Made a love potion for you. Feel the devotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. Feel the devotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine.
What's up, guys? So, forgot to film an outro like I normally do. I actually filmed an intro though, so I hope you like that. So, great day at Devil's Head. That was filmed like a week ago. Go look in the description and you'll see when that was actually filmed. And that's all I got, except Karson, as we saw in today's video. That's Karson. He was in the Cascade video a little while back. He works another job, so he's not always in the videos. But great day at Devil's Head. That's all I got. Go comment where your local hill is. Go subscribe. Go like this video. And that's all I got. See you guys in the next video, guys. Peace.